Okay, what we're looking at here is a hole. We have a couple of tree stumps in here. If we were to go back to 1989, you'd be looking at a field, no hole, somewhere between 1989 and, I'd say about 2006, 2008. Somebody came up and dug a big hole. They were looking for a rock. This was a field back then. Now, over the years, water from storms has increased the erosion. So I want to show what they were looking for. They were looking over there. And in 1955, when Alvin Weiss taught me, or concluded my the lesson plan at the Pottsgrove Mansion, he brought me up here to show me where he was stashing a rock. He said a group of people who were trustees were going to try to steal it, and they were going to dig right there. He said I would know if they were calling the bluff because there'll be a hole there. Now, what Alvin did was brought me to the other side. Now, mind you, back then, this was a field, and he had it dug out. So there was like a trench here. And the hole wasn't here, but the field was where you can see that other log. And then this was all just dirt here. I'm going to say the dirt was probably a little closer to here where there was a wall. Now, what I did to show what they were looking for, I put it right there. Basically, it's a simple piece of some type of clay. It has what's obviously pyrite, and I'm guessing it's actually some very pretty pyrite. I'm guessing this is a 66 million year old stone. I really did not know what the rock was when he showed me. He just showed me several rocks. He asked me which was my favorite. Then he showed me this, said, "This is it." I said, I don't know. I really did not get a chance to look at them. And then he said, "Okay, this is it." And then he brought me out here and buried this thing and gave me the story. So figured I'd share the story and the actual location. Anybody who's ever watched Get Smart, would you believe they missed it by this much?